Every year, the City of Powell River collects utility, user fees and property taxes. Roughly a third of the property taxes are collected for other authorities, such as the regional, school and hospital districts, to pay for their services. 2/3 of the property taxes are collected to pay for municipal services provided by the city, things like water, sewage, roads, emergency services, parks and recreation. All the things which you make use of as a resident. Property taxes are collected from residential property owners and from other property classes. There are 9 property classes in total. The amount collected each year is determined by City Council when they review and set the city's annual budget. Property taxes are different for each property class. So, for example, the tax rates applied to a residential owner would be different from a recreational property or a business. The amount you owe as a residential property owner depends on your property assessment, which you receive in January each year. This can be estimated by using the calculator found on the city's website. Let's look at the factors involved in setting the taxes this year. In 2024, there have been some unique features to factor into the property tax decisions made by City Council. The decisions have been made with prudence and a long-term view in mind. This year, the amount of taxes being collected from the major industry class has increased. This is because at the end of 2023, the Revitalisation Tax Exemption Bylaw, which capped some of the municipal major industry property taxes, expired. The future of the major industry class is uncertain. In the future, the revenues from this class could increase or decrease. This could have a significant impact on the amount of taxes required to be collected from other property classes, including residential properties. So this year, Council have taken the decision to put aside some of the increase to the property taxes from the major industry class into a stabilisation account. This is basically like a savings account. Money put to one side to be used to offset potential property tax increases in the near future. The money in the stabilisation account or savings account will be invested and will have the opportunity to grow over time. In the future, the money in the savings account will be used to stabilise property taxes as much as possible to avoid you seeing large fluctuations. Dealing with volatility in household expenses can be difficult. Planning ahead is easier if there is some stability, and that's why Council feel it is important to plan for the future. They are managing the risk of volatility and taking a long-term view. Putting aside money now will help keep taxes more consistent in the future. In 2024, an average single-family dwelling, assessed at approximately $595,000, would owe $5,400 in property taxes and user fees. $3,750 of this bill, or 2/3, is for the city user fees and the property taxes. These have increased by $240 or 7% over 2023. The remaining 1/3 of this bill, or $1,650, is property taxes for other authorities. These have increased by $260 or 19% over 2023. Look out for your property tax statement and insert to arrive in the mail. The insert will let you know your payment options. Payment is due July 2nd. If you have questions, check out the property tax section of our website.